Whether you Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo, computer, it don't matter. Laptop gaming, everybody can relate to this product right here. So we are going to go ahead and put it together. This is your tray. You have a shaft right here, threads, thread, screws with an Allen wrench. They give you 5 controller holders, and then you have your headset holder. First thing is first, they said install your shaft. Put this through just like that. All you have to do is twist like that. It's tight. Alright, if you want to give an extra twist, you can. Maybe like a little quarter turn. Alright, step 2. They saying put one of these in. And when you put this in, you grab a screw. And this is how you tighten it. So you can adjust it to whatever height you want to adjust it to. So when you do it, you got to just make sure you go in tight, you guys. Don't be softy with it, okay? If you too soft with it, you think it's tight, it won't be tight. You got to give it that turn that it needs. So I'm just going to come down just a tad bit. Because on the bottom, you can just have your little pop-ups if you have them. Some people got different thumb covers that they can, you know, pop in and out of their controller. So you could put that on your bottom tray. Now this don't have to aim the same way. You can actually aim this the opposite way. If you want one controller facing that way, one controller facing this way. Again, this is adjustable to your liking. Nobody else liking but your liking. Twist on. Very easy, you guys. Don't take long at all. And then you still have 2 screws. So one is basically for extra, just in case you lose it. Now this one will go right through the top like that. Twist on. It's so tight up here that you have to press down so you could go inside of the recess part. If you do not press down, you might think it's like defective or something. You have to press down. So the way they made this is countersink, but you see the outside part, it might be just a little bit smaller than the diameter of the head of the screw. So make sure you go in. When you go in, you push down to make sure you open that hole up, okay? Because you see how far down that one went? It went far. These are flush, pretty good. So this is good. Everything is good, nice and well. Now me, I'm a Nintendo guy, okay? I have Xbox too as well, but as you see, all the controllers the same. Nintendo Switch, Xbox controllers the same. PlayStation controllers pretty much is the same. You have gaming headset right there. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. This is easy. Anybody can do it. Again, if you have your little pop-ups for your covers, you can put them on the bottom. That way you are well organized. Holds my Nintendo Switch. If I want to put my Nintendo Switch right here, I can, but I usually keep it on the dock. And that's about it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.